welcome back. On today's Christmas tutorial we have the fabulous Gemma from Lark Design Make, and we are going to be doing some leather jewellery.
Yeah, so this has just come from making leather products, which I do, and then I've always got things like this left around, and all this leather has come from either like scraps from other pieces I've made, but often from places like Recreate, which is available in most big cities, and you can go in and just buy a big bag of it for £5.
It's the best.
Yes, so this is a really nice craft to utilise those little bits. Yep. So there's lots of different ways that you can use the materials, but what I'm going to teach you today is these very simple kind of geometric hanging earrings, because that actually requires very little tools, very little anything really, and you can make them very quickly for your loved ones. So what we're going to start with is we've got these little clips, and I've got bronze ones or gold ones. And I'd like you to just decide which ones you like, because that will help us plan the rest of the design.
I'm going to...
Yes.
Yeah, I think a sort of goldy bronze one.
Perfect. And I think I might wear silver, because I wear a lot of silver. I think I might go medium size.
Oh yeah, actually maybe I'll go for... What size is this one? Is this one quite wide?
Yes, that's probably the biggest bronze one I've got there.
Great, okay, cool.
Right. Now, even though they're scraps, I would suggest that you made a little pattern, because you don't want to cut into it and then make a mistake and run out of that material. So use the little clip on the piece of paper, and then use a pencil.
Okay.
And you can even maybe make 2 markings.
Yeah.
So then you've got kind of a ruler mark, hopefully you'll see that, where you need to then connect the dots.
So the second mark is going to be how long you want the...
Yes, well now you can use a ruler, and you can use that to make a straight line.
Great, thanks.
Okay, and now you can decide how long you would like the drop to be. Let's do the back one first, the longer one.
Okay.
So have a little think about how long you'd like it. I can be a model if you like. And I guess, yeah, making sure that you've got enough in the leather that you've chosen.
Yeah, I think maybe I want it like this sort of long, I think.
Great, and then if you want to figure out that diagonal, again, I do mine freehand. Okay. So the thing you might want to think about, can you see how this pair, the long is in this towards my face here?
Yeah, okay.
I think it looks nicer like that, and that's kind of how I've ended up wasting a bit of material by not making patterns. Yeah. Is because I've accidentally cut them the identical shape both times. But of course, once you've got it once,
quite like the harsh
this can be your front
shard,
and this can be your other one.
Perfect.
So you've actually made both patterns right now.
Okay.
And then if you want to think about your other, so again, you might want another layer on top. Now you can see sometimes I do them both the same. Yeah. And sometimes I do them so that they cross over each other. You've got those 2 choices.
Okay.
Now you can place this on, which is going to be the longer leather, the yellow.
This yellow.
And again, you can just use the pencil to mark it off gently, because it's on the outside and then you just cut on the inside. Sometimes what I use is actually a silver pen. The ink in that does wear off the leather. Yeah, the regular silver or gold gel pens, but I couldn't find one this morning. But that's actually a very good way of working on leather.
Okay, great.
And then cut that out. Yeah. I'm just going to watch you today. I was going to make a pair. But putting the pressure on you. Yes. I'll tell you a little bit more about these whilst you're making that. So these are just mixed packs that you can buy in Amazon. I have seen them in silver and gold, so maybe I could share the link with you for that. But they're about £6.
Perfect.
So that comes with all the different sizes. And then the only other thing that you'd need is the earring hooks, and then maybe a small plier if you don't have one already. But these are generally about £1. And you can buy a bag of these normally for about £1. So it's a fairly cheap activity. And with this, you could probably make about 40 pairs of earrings. So
wow.
And also, as you see, I haven't got one here, but you can also make like bracelets, because then you'd have the strip of leather, and then this would be on the right, or like on the inside here, holding the leather together. So that's quite good use of not wasting them. All right, so now you want the opposite way round. Yes, so you need to cut another one.
So this time it'll be this way round.
That's right, isn't it? Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So I think I'll make these later, but I was thinking pink and brown could be quite nice.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah. I don't know who for. Maybe for me.
I know, that's the thing. That's just what's so nice about doing things on a weekend or over Christmas. You know, I never make things for myself.
No,
never.
I know. And then you can, if they're so quick.
Yeah.
Is that you could definitely make a few for friends and a couple for yourself as well.
Yeah.
And the great thing is that you could maybe wear them out. Someone would say just before Christmas, "Oh, I love your earrings," and then you'd be like,
Present sorted.
yes.
Yeah.
So it's almost a good idea. Me and my mum had exactly the same conversation this morning, and I had to go, "Oh, you like that, do you?" And I'm totally going to make a set later. Great. And then you've got the small pattern with this one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And then if you do the same with your orange.
Okay. I'm actually going for a little bit of a mismatched texture because I'm going on the back of this orange because I quite like
the suede instead.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, why not? That's great with
I liked
with the effect there. I think that would be nice.
Yeah.
Where would you wear these?
Just to work, really. I am a fan of a statement earring.
Yes.
So,
yeah, that's good.
yeah.
And the tassel earrings I really like as well.
Yes, I'm a big fan of the tassel and also a pom-pom.
Oh yes, yeah.
Possibly not on an earring, a pom-pom, I'm not sure.
No, I'm not sure she could get away with that. That really is a statement. Maybe for the Christmas party.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so I've snipped that one.
Great, and then just making sure that you do the other one the other way
other
around.
way.
If you're happy with that, obviously
Yeah.
this is your last chance now. If you wanted to do it like this,
Oh yeah.
I think that might be
Yeah.
yeah. Really like the orange you've chosen.
Thank you. So it's going to be this way around now. And these leather scissors do make it just so much easier.
They are quite nice, aren't they? So they're very good if you do a full cut.
Yeah.
They're very good at being straight. But
Yeah.
again, if you were just doing a simple craft like this, it's probably not worth the investment. The sewing scissors would be absolutely fine.
Yeah.
Now, if you did want to do the tassel, what's this, the frayed kind of look, all I do is I find it too difficult to draw pencil lines for them all.
Yeah.
I do them, eyeball them, but all I do is a line to know when to stop. So that I'm consistent. It is a little bit of a risk, but I did find it a bit frustrating when I drew all the pencil lines.
Perfect. Okay, I think I'm ready to go.
Great. Okay, so the final stage is just to place it inside the clasp here. So then when you place the clasp over the two pieces of leather, you've got to make sure you keep very still. And then I would do the right hand side, or on either side, and the left hand side, and then across the body. So you've got the full.
Perfect.
You're happy to do the next one? I think the clasp is over there.
Lovely.
The final stage is the earring hooks, and they have this little loop on them. So you just grab it with the end of the plier and you open it up. And then when you're applying it to the earring, you must remember obviously that that's going in your ear.
Yeah.
So that make sure they don't end up the wrong way around. Pass it through. And this is a little bit fiddly, and if you again found it a little bit fiddly, you could add what we call like a jump ring, which is a little circle of metal, and that would make it a little bit easier, but I think I've got it. And there you go, there's one done. And then this is just really simple, just obviously I've showed a bit of card. I've got one of these, which again is a special tool, but you wouldn't need that, maybe like a stitch unpicker or something in the kitchen.
Even a
I'm
needle.
sure. A needle,
Yeah.
exactly, yeah. And this is a really nice way of just finishing it off as a little gift. Or you may have seen this one, which I thought was quite cute, where I've actually
That's
made it into
really
a little
nice.
card, and then you could add a little message or a little stamp.
Well, this was a very, very quick video, but it's a really quick craft. Thank you so much, Gemma.
Thank you, Jenny, it's been fun.
And you do workshops on this too, don't you?
I do, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, leather jewellery and other leather crafts as well.
Fabulous. So I'll pop some more details about that in the bottom of this video. But thank you so much, and stay tuned for some more. Thanks.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.